party started. How is everybody doing? Okay, papalitan ko po yung question ko. Gutom na po ba tayo? Yun pala kasi. Well, we will be getting to dinner really soon. But before that, gusto ko lang po muna kumustahin kayo. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Kumusta po ang biyahe? Kumusta po ang panahon ngayon? Gulo ng panahon ngayon, tama po ba? Noong isang araw lang napakainit and today it has been pouring. Pero, love wins, tama po ba? Nananaig ang pagmamahalan, palakpakan po natin ang successful wedding ceremony kanina. You know, I heard that there was a great miracle kanina na nakapag-prepare and everything ang ating bagong kasal. And just as soon as the bride got in, saka bumuhos ang ulan. Tama po ba? That's something to be really happy about. Palakpakan naman din po natin yan. So just before anything else, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Mox Tevera and I will be your host for this evening. Napaka-excited ko na ihandog sa inyo ang program natin tonight dahil marami kaming prepare for everybody. But first up, I would like to welcome our guests. Alam nyo, welcome po dito sa Pico de Oro. Napakalayo po ng binyahe natin and nagpapasalamat po kami sa inyong lahat for all being here and looking good. Yan, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Alam nyo, napakasaya na makakita ng isang kwarto for a celebration ng punong-puno ng guests. So for that, again, we thank you. And speaking of thanks, we would like to welcome our guests who came all over the place. We have some, may mga guests tayo na galing abroad. How about we say hi and let's all welcome our guests from Australia. Nasaan po sila? Hello. Welcome back or first time though? Welcome back to Manila. Yes, well, it's not Manila actually, it's Batangas. So welcome to Batangas. Alright, all the way from Australia. And ang ating bride and groom, I believe, came all the way from Masbate. Asan po ang mga taga Masbate? Ayan. Ayan, kung nasa barko po tayo, tataog tayo lang, nandito lang ang taga Masbate. Alam niyo po, galing po ako Masbate just a few months ago. I was there to host the Kawayan beauty pageant, Binibining Kawayan. Ayan. And I think I'll have more reasons to go back to Masbate because of tonight. Ito, na-meet ko ang mayor ng Kawayan. And tonight, I believe I'm going to be meeting the mayor of Uson, Masbate. Yes. Good evening po, Mayor. Ayan. So welcome po sa mga taga Masbate. At marami pa po tayong guests and we have some coming from Cebu. Nasaan po mga taga Cebu? Ayan. Nandito po sila. Welcome. Hindi lang po yan. Meron din tayo guests from Legazpi City. Albay, right? Albay, Bicol. Nasaan po ang mga galing Legazpi? Right here. Hello. We also have friends and family from Dagupan. Asan po ang galing Dagupan? Huwag na po tayong masyay. Ayan. Kakapasok lang pala. Hello. And palakpakan din po para sa mga guests natin from Metro Manila. Alam nyo, kailangan palakpakan natin ang mga sarili natin kasi hindi po biro ang bumiyahe ng malayo. So, para sa mga nag-travel by plane, may drive pa po tayo papuntang Batangas. But anyway, welcome po sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat po. Kung may na-miss out pa po ako, meron pa po ba ibang guests from anywhere else that I forgot to greet? New York, may New York po ba tayo? New York, Cubao? Wala? Testing lang. Alright, well, I'd I'd like to tell everybody that we have an exciting program tonight, and ang gusto lang po natin ay makapag-enjoy tayo and celebrate this wonderful, wonderful milestone for Resty and Kylie. And ladies and gents, we have a lot of things in store for everybody, so dyan lang po kayo, huwag po sana tayo umalis. Para sa mga mag-drive po pa uwi, ayan, maaga po natin matatapos ang program. So I hope kasama namin kayo hanggang matapos ang ating program. Okay lang po ba? Is that okay? Yes? Palakpakan if you're okay with that. And yung, for most of you, friends and family who are staying here, can I see the hands who are booked here or somewhere nearby here in Batangas? Yung mga nagsistay dito? Ayan. Pag kayo po ang naunang umuwi, hahabulin po namin kayo babalik dito. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna have fun tonight, so I hope everybody can just sit tight and stay comfortable dito sa loob. Basta po sa labas umuulan, so dito na lang po tayo kung saan malamig at tuyo. And we are gonna have a nice meal and get to know each and everybody.